Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a brand new subscription box to show you guys. I'm super excited about this one. This is called BloomsyBox. Do you want to know what's inside my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So BloomsyBox did send me this to review, so thank you so much for sending me this box. I cannot wait to look inside, but first, what I do when I bring a box to my channel for the first time is I tell you guys all about the company and what I can find out first. So let's learn about the company, let's learn what's going to be in here, and then let's see what's going to be in here. So again, now I don't know if they're going to give me a code yet. I haven't heard back, but if they do, I will go ahead and drop it right here. But I will link everything down below and all that good stuff, like always. So BloomsyBox is a beautiful flower by subscription. Experience the joy of farm to vase flowers. Our bouquets arrive within 72 hours of being picked at our sustainable farms, making for the ultimate in freshness. The perfect gift for yourself or somebody special. Okay, so they have different sizes when it comes to their subscription. So I'm not quite sure which size this would be considered. There might be a card in there, I'm not sure. But let me just tell you what the pricing is for the different sizes. So they have the Bloomsy Original, which is $39.99 a month. It's free shipping. There's the Deluxe, the Bloomsy Deluxe, which is $49.99. Then they have the Bloomsy Premium, which is $54.99. That's their largest and most wow-worthy selection, full of gorgeous and ultra premium blooms. As always, shipping is included. But they also have a Bloomsy Rose. So if you want just roses, that's $44.99. You get beautiful premium fresh cut roses at just the right price, farm to table bouquets that are true stunners. Now they also have, if you like flowers and you want them more frequent, they also have a Bloomsy Bi-Weekly, which is $49.99. And they also have a Bloomsy Weekly, which is $44.99. So if you want to have flowers delivered once a month, twice a month, or 4 times a month, you have that option and they will have you covered. So this is good for yourself or a gift. Gift Ideas is amazing because I send flowers to people and I pay way more than any of these prices just to send a simple little hello to somebody. So that's amazing. There's no commitment. You can skip weeks, you can change your plans, you can cancel at any time. Your BloomsyBox. Inside each BloomsyBox is, first and foremost, a bouquet of beautiful blooms. We source our flowers from the best farms worldwide to deliver the highest quality and most unique variety of florals. Most people don't realize that different flowers require different levels of care to keep them healthy. Your BloomsyBox will arrive with an informational card showing you exactly how to maintain your blooms, leading to longer vase life and more time to enjoy your beauty. Each month, your flower subscription will include stunning flowers sourced globally from eco-friendly, fair trade farms. Our hand-tied bouquets are wrapped in paper rather than plastic, cutting costs for you and eliminating waste for our world. From exotic orchids to romantic roses, cheerful sunflowers to classic hydrangeas, each BloomsyBox contains something new just for you. We ship our flowers straight from the farms where they were picked, meaning you receive your blooms 2 to 4 days after they were cut. This ensures the freshness of your products and gives you more time to enjoy your flowers. The best part? No more tired, dull grocery store bouquets. Our flowers are so fresh, they typically arrive in bud form, giving you the unique opportunity to watch them bloom before your eyes. And I used to own a flower shop back in the day. I opened it when I was 19 years old. And even me, I would get my flowers from a local supplier, but they would go and get them from the market, which they would get them from the flowers. So there's so many different hands. By the time it got to mine, there's really no telling when those flowers were actually picked. So knowing that this is all, they're trying to be all eco-friendly and how they package it, and you get them so quick within 2 to 4 days of actually picking them, these are gonna be the freshest thing out there, I feel like, anyway. So it comes in this box right here. It doesn't say like up or down. And since I read that they're wrapped, it probably doesn't matter how the box is sitting. But let's go ahead and cut the tape and let's see what this month flowers brings. And I think that's just so exciting because they're going to obviously go with like the seasons and the color combination if you're getting it every month. And the surprise of just getting fresh flowers every month is amazing. So when you open it up, it says tips to take care of your tropical bouquet. Remove the sleeve and paper wrap. Do not remove the rubber band holding your bouquet together. Setup. Cut the tip of the stems. Fill the vase at least 2/3 full. Tropical flowers also absorb water from their environment. Spray them at least once a day. Reminder, if your bouquet looks a bit squeezed after transportation, carefully separate the blooms with your hands. Flowers and foliage will return back to their original shape. Share the love, #bloominghappy. How cute. So when you open it up, and they are tropical flowers. That's what you see. So here is the card. And then they also give you the plant food to put in your vase as well. So then let me go ahead and cut this zip tie that's holding. See how it's sitting all in there perfectly? And it's with the paper, not the plastic. This is so neat. This is really neat, you guys. Okay, so let's get this beauty out. There's no like broken flowers, broken foliage. There's nothing like loose in the package whatsoever. It's all intact in here. And look how pretty. Okay, here is their sticker. So then let's get this down. Because I'm going to put them in, cut them and put them in water. So look at how pretty. Oh my goodness. Is that a birds of paradise? No, I don't. That's some form of a tropical flower. It almost looked like a birds of paradise. And then look at this one is like all like curled up. If you can see this one right here, how they have it like twisted up for, I don't know, that's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to open these up and put them in the vase so you guys can actually see their full beautiness. But that is so cool to get fresh flowers delivered at an extremely reasonable price. Because again, I've been telling you guys, I send flowers all the time and I'll spend at least $50 on the arrangement. And that's not including the shipping, the handling, the delivery. Then you're at their mercy because then they source it out to whoever. If it doesn't show up, you don't know about it until you're already asking the recipient, did you receive anything? Then you're spoiling the surprise. So I really, really like this concept that they're getting them straight from the growers, straight to your hands, and that they're fresh flowers, and you can do it monthly, bi-weekly, or weekly. You can skip and cancel it anytime. I think that is amazing. I love this concept. I really love this concept, you guys. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pause here, and I'm gonna transfer over to my kitchen so we can cut the stems and get them in the vase and see how they look all together. So hang on. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and look at how pretty. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut these. I've already put the plant food in here. So let's go ahead. I want you to basically see the flowers, not really me. So let me cut these all at an angle. It says do not remove the rubber band. Okay, you guys, so now I have actually cut each one at an angle. I think I have a little too much water. Hold on. Story of my life. Okay. That's why it says 2/3 full, not all the way full. But now they're all in. And it says just kind of open everything up a little bit. And I'm gonna just take the little raffia that was on the outside. I'm just gonna put it around my vase. Okay, so here is the final product. These are beautiful. And this like little lobster claw looking thing right here, I know this is some type of a tropical flower. It is beautiful. And then there's all of these and there's more. This is just an amazing arrangement. I really like the little detail that they added to this one little palm. And I am loving this. Very, very beautiful. Okay, you guys, so that is how I put this in the vase. That is what my flowers look like. Gorgeous, gorgeous. I love the ginger. I love all of the greens and the foliage that they put in here. I like the attention to detail, how that one is curled. I love these colors. Very, very summery with the tropical vibes. I really, really love this. So if you guys are wanting fresh flowers delivered to your door at a reasonable price with free shipping, 2 to 4 days from when they were actually picked from the grower, then this is the box for you. Again, I will link them all down below. Thank you again for sending me this to show me your amazing fresh flower delivery to my door. I'm baffled. Like, I'm just amazed at how nice these looks, the presentation, the shipping, the preparing it in the box, how they stay in the box, how there's no plastic to throw away. It was the paper. From start to finish, I'm really enjoying this. And that's my honest opinion. So you guys, comment down below. Let me know, have you heard of this subscription before? Are you interested in getting fresh flowers to your door? I love this subscription, and the thought to get brand new, freshly picked flowers delivered to you every single month, 2 weeks, or every week is just amazing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in and watching this. I'm so glad that they sent this to me, because not only is it something that I'm finding amazing, hopefully you do too. And this would be a cheap alternative way to get fresh flowers delivered to your door. So thank you all so much for tuning in and watching this. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of the flowers that I received? What do you think of this concept? Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.